Hey everyone, welcome back to CSS tutorial for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn about how to add font awesome icon using HTML CSS. So as we can see, we are right now in font awesome website, and how you can use this font awesome website for your HTML file, and you can simply add thousands of icons for your web development. Font Awesome is a popular icon library that provides scalable vector icons that can easily customized with CSS. So let's try. First of all, we will going to go for this HTML file and going to remove this href. And we're going to leave all the structure as it is. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go for any of website, and to the website we can simply search for Font Awesome CDN. We need to search over it, and then we're going to go for this CDN.js or this website, and from here we can simply select the version, which version we need. So we'll go for the latest one, and then going to copy this version and simply going to copy it. And after that we're going to go for our website and going to give it into this here. And now going to give the brackets or this clone, and that's it. We're going to save it, and then we're going to give these brackets over here, angular brackets, and that's it. We're going to save it. And now if we just go for our this website, if you just refresh it, as you can see, we linked with this website. And now what we're going to do, if we just come over into the website, Font Awesome website, you can simply search for Font Awesome website, and then after that we can simply come over for the icons, and then here you can search for image. So if I just click on image, and as you can see, we get this image icons. You can simply copy this. As you can see, we simply copy this HTML, copy it, and then we can simply go for this body tag. Into the body tag we can simply paste it, and then we can simply save it. So if I just save it, as you can see, if we just go for our live website, and here you can see we added these icons over here. Also we can change it, change this color and size. So what we can do, we can simply go for the Visual Studio Code, and then here we can simply add style. Into the style we can simply give the font size, and the font size, if I just give 50 pixel, if I just save it, that the live server, if we just go here, as you can see, the size has been increased. So if I just wanted to change the color, we can simply give color, and if I just wanted to make it blue, we can simply give it, and we can simply save it. After, we can simply go for this image icons. As you can see, we changed the image icons. So you can simply add the Font Awesome CDN into your HTML website. You can simply change some of those icons, and you can simply change their size and color. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.